In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Newsfeed Eradicator to Chrome. If you've ever opened a social site just to check one thing and ended up scrolling for minutes, this extension helps you stay focused by hiding distracting news feeds while keeping the rest of the site usable. The process is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. First, open Google Chrome on your desktop or laptop. This matters because Chrome extensions are designed for the desktop version. Most mobile browsers don't fully support them. Before you proceed, make sure you're signed into Chrome with your Google account. You can confirm by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. If you're not signed in, the Add to Chrome button may be unavailable, so take a moment to sign in. Next, head to the Chrome Web Store. The easiest way is to open a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store, then open the official store. Once you're there, navigate to the Newsfeed Eradicator page. You'll see the extension's name, an overview, screenshots, and user reviews. This is your chance to verify you're on the official listing. Look for a high number of users and consistent positive reviews, and avoid lookalike copies that may use similar names or icons. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear describing what the extension can do. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install it within a few seconds. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation message and the extension's icon will be added to your browser. To keep the icon handy, click the puzzle-shaped extensions icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Find Newsfeed Eradicator in the list and click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the extension visible on your toolbar so you can access or adjust it without digging through menus. If you don't see it right away, scroll within the list. Some users have many extensions installed. A few quick tips before we wrap up. You must be logged into Chrome with a Google account to install extensions. If you're on a phone or tablet, switch to a desktop computer for full support. And always choose the official version from the original developer to avoid imitations. Checking the developer name, user count, and ratings will help you confirm you're on the right page. That's it. You've added Newsfeed Eradicator to Chrome and pinned it for easy access. Enjoy a cleaner, more focused browsing experience.